So here's our terrace. Lots of grapes. We need chili though to defend the grapes from the seagulls. And then down here we have Kevin on the terrace playing in a little pool of water. And it's starting to rain. So we have to go in. You're going to say hello. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. You're going to wave. You're going to wave. You're going to do kisses. Ciao. 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 You say ciao. Ciao, ciao. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Look at the raindrops. Look at the raindrops. More, 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 more. Oh, Kevin thinks it's funny to play in the rain. It's funny. It's raining, Kevin. It's raining. Quick. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Quickly. It's raining. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's pouring. Come on, Kevin. Let's go inside. Come on, come on, come on. Quickly. Quickly.